So you're getting life insurance from your employer. Great. What does that mean? Or maybe you're interviewing for a job and they're offering you life insurance as part of your perks package. And you might not be sure how that could fit in with a financial plan or what you need, what's it worth. So by the end of this video, you'll have much better understanding because I'm going to break down for you exactly what employer life insurance is and how it can work for you. My name is Jake Williams and I'm a life insurance specialist with Step Up Wealth Management. For more information on life insurance and how it fits into a comprehensive overall financial plan, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. That way you know immediately anytime I upload new videos. So a lot of employers, and a lot of bigger employers specifically, offer life insurance to their employees as part of their benefits package. And to you, the employee, there's a couple things that this means. First of all, you've got life insurance coverage. Great. So some of the really nice things about that are it is group underwritten life insurance. So for an employer-owned life insurance plan like that, for one of these group plans, you don't have to go through individually underwritten life insurance. So say you've got some sort of health issue. Maybe you had cancer earlier on, or some sort of heart issue, or you've got something else that would make you a less than ideal candidate in the eyes of a life insurance company. Well, with group life insurance, like what you would get through an employer, you've got coverage. You don't have to worry about that. Second of all, with these group coverages, they're either payroll deducted, so the premiums for the life insurance are taken out of your paycheck before it gets to you, or it's covered by the employer. Either way, it's not something where you have to write checks every month or every year and see that money leave your bank account. It's something that happens before it ever gets there, so you don't even have to worry about it, which I know that's a really nice bonus if you're someone who's more of a budget person like myself, where you want to see the cash flow coming in and going out. That's something where you don't even have to worry about it being on your cash flow. So those are some of the benefits of an employer-owned group life insurance coverage to you, the employee. There are some things, though, that you want to be aware of. A lot of times these coverages are fairly limited. Most often you'll see smaller amounts, and when I say small, I mean small for life insurance coverage. You might see $10,000 or $25,000, or maybe it's going to be some percentage or multiple of your yearly salary. Either way, they're typically a little bit smaller than what I would recommend to a client for their coverage. So you do have some coverage, but my advice would be it's probably not enough. And second of all, these coverages are tied to your employer. So unless you have one of the few coverages that allows you to take the coverage with you after you leave, if you leave that employer, whether your choice or theirs, that life insurance coverage goes away. So you get the group underwritten coverage where you don't have to do the medical underwriting yourself. You get it with the limited or no out-of-pocket cost to you coverage, but in that trade-off, you're probably not getting the full amount of coverage that we would recommend for an entire financial plan, and that coverage is tied to your employer. So there are some pros, there are some cons to these employer life insurance coverage policies. They are a great benefit, they are a great bonus, but it's probably not enough to be the only life insurance coverage you have. If you've got more questions on this, if you want to know, hey, can I use it to cover this or that, or is it enough for this? Drop a link in the comment below, or if you've got more detailed questions or you want to dive down into the specifics, there is a link in the description below where you can apply to become my client. I would love to sit down with you and figure out exactly how much coverage you've got, how much we think you would need, and how we can get you to taking care of your future and beyond. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up. I love hearing from you guys. Let me know that you think I've done a good job. That keeps me going. If you've got any more ideas, if you've got any questions, drop a comment down below so I can keep going with good content that is what you guys are looking for. And please, remember, take care of your now, your future, and beyond.